what's going on. Just rode through Wesleyan, and I was not recording, obviously. Otherwise, I probably would have started out with it. Thank you, sir. Even though I was there first, and right away. And some hipster kid on campus crossed the street in front of me, and then he whipped out a camera, and he took a picture of me. So, that was kind of funny, kind of flattering. I don't trust you. It was bad timing to have a little bit of fun, but we saw it coming, so windows were so tinted. Good progressive braking practice, we'll call that, huh? Nothing wrong with that. Ain't no thing wrong with that. I need new riding pants. I noticed that these ones, and I can't believe I'm annoyed that I'm still wearing them, but I put them on and they have just like gotten ripped and torn. Piece of a tire. Thank you. That one, it was not my turn. I have exposed skin on my hamstring, probably from like friction from my seat. Oh, we want this right. So I need to find some good pants, because these were, I know they weren't, they were on Amazon. I've received compliments on them before in terms of, I guess, their styling, but their advertising is completely false. I mean, how is friction over time, over a year of riding, between two pairs of pants? Now, the other pair hasn't really started to do it yet, but I don't trust them now either, since it's happened to this pair in this color. But, you know what I mean? Like, that's not real slide proof, slide resistant, not Kevlar lined like they show in the pictures, and that's not like buying the armor, you know, like it comes with armor too, but you know, I gotta just bite the bullet and get myself a nice pair of like $300 riding pants that you just wear like all the time. Maybe I'll find a deal. First ride in a couple days again. It's been pissing rain, but fall is here. It's coming, at least. I mean, you know, you see some of the leaves. I guess like if you see, those are all pine. The oaks and the maples, they're changing. They're changing. Been getting some serious adult things done too, which is always good. stop by the town hall though, I think. Oof, God, that was bumpy as hell. This house gets it real bad. Look at that. You get all that property, but that's the shit that happens anytime it rains for 2 days straight. And what are you even doing with your property? Nothing. Nothing but mowing it. I'd take this farmland though. I'd become a farmer. Why not? You know, it's funny, I wasn't happy with the excessive ticking coming from my engine after my valve adjustment. Like, I thought I needed to make them a little bit tighter, just a smidge. And when I'd go out on a ride, after like 30 minutes or so, like, it would get louder, I think, you know, because the engine's up to temp and whatever, and it was more noticeable, and it pissed me off. And then I took the baffles out, and now I don't hear the ticking anymore. But I know the ticking's there. Yellow car. This was the corner I dropped the bike. We will look when we come to a complete stop, and then we will turn. Because when you look back like that, you unbalance your chi. Strive for perfection, but wear your scars proudly. My engine casing wears that scar for me. But you can bet I tried to buff it out. Of course I did. I did a pretty good job. Perfect imperfections. I don't like the look of that road there, but I messed up my back pretty good. I feel like it was bothering me last night when I was sleeping, and I don't know what the hell I did. try to stretch it a little bit more, do some things, crack it out, roll it out. We'll keep working at it. Are they going? Of course they're going. Oh, because we get to go. Alright, world. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching this. Bye-bye now.